camera.
All right, Action League now. That's fucking A
Actually, now was
tier.
gas. Yeah, that's definitely A.
It's not like Kablam tier.
It's not Kablam tier, but it's definitely a B. I'll give it a solid B.
I gotta look for Kablam because that shit is definitely S tier.
Kablam is big S tier.
Where's Kablam?
Oh
I need
shit, my
that shit.
camera's dead. Oh,
Damn.
fuck.
Gotta bust it in the charger, man.
I'll charge it tomorrow.
Oh, Kablam. Found it. S tier. All Grown Up was pretty shitty, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
That shit, it was so shitty. All that is S tier.
I'd rather take the fucking Jamie Lynn Spears show than that show.
All
No cap.
that S tier. Journey of Ellen
Oh
Strange,
man.
S tier. Avatar, S tier.
S tier.
Barnyard, that shit was
S tier.
ass. Like it's an S tier for the meme, but like that shit was so ass, bro. That shit was ass. Big Time Rush, S tier. Hey, say whatever you want, but Big Time Rush is S tier for sure. The Naked Brothers Band.
Never.
You never watched that?
Nigga, that's when I started watching that type shit. When they started putting that shit on there. Maybe like after they were doing like avatars when I stopped watching shit. There's no beef with Avatar, but Avatar is mad weird to me as a younger nigga.
Man, to me that shit's god tier, man. The Naked Brothers Band. That shit pretty ass. Cat Dog.
Big cat dog.
A
I'll give it
tier.
a big A. A. That's my
Nice.
shit.
On the
A.
same page. Same goes for Angry Beavers, honestly.
Angry Beavers. Yeah.
What else we got? Cat
Oh fuck.
Scratch.
The Oddly Monsters. I don't know if you've seen that.
Oh yeah, let me look that up. That's S tier, man. That shit was
Oddly
so
Monsters is
strange.
so good. Yeah.
Mm. You ever seen Henry Danger? You have not, because that shit is new and that
Henry
shit
Danger.
is fucked up. It's some bullshit, man. Like every time I'm downstairs and Nickelodeon's on, I just, you know what I mean? Like I just look at it and I'm like, nah, bro. I think that's like the very last Dan Schneider's show ever. Fred. You remember Fred?
Fred.
That's that dude with the high squeaky voice on YouTube in the early 2010s.
Yeah, the Bach don't know about that.
Yeah, that shit is
That
trash.
was like
They even
Victorious. That was like Victoria's wave shit.
nah, Fred was a YouTube star, and I think they gave him his own show
Oh,
on
Dora's big
Nickelodeon.
S tier.
Where's Dora?
Drake and Josh S tier.
Drake and Josh definitely S tier. Chalk
Hey
Zone
Arnold.
A tier. Where's Hey Arnold?
Hey Arnold S tier.
I don't see Hey Arnold.
Dog is S tier.
Wait a sec. Wait a sec. I gotta keep up.
Yeah, no.
Oh, Hey Arnold.
Yeah, Hey
S
Arnold.
tier. No doubt about that. Keenan and Kel S tier.
S tier.
iCarly S tier. Nah, that's A tier for me.
He's not for nothing.
Nah, that's S tier.
Yeah.
That's S tier for me.
S tier just because I wanted to fuck the white John. What's her name? Jenna McCurry?
Facts. Big facts. Dora's S tier, man. She annoying as fuck though, but S tier. Fanboy Chum
You ever seen
Chum.
the War Star? You ever seen the War Star fucking Dora? Like voiceover, John? They were acting like they were like ghetto Mexicans. That is the funniest shit I've ever seen, bro.
Man, I seen it. Mm,
Fucking go.
what else we got? We got Kung Fu Panda. That shit was trash.
Yeah, put that shit on D, bro.
Facts. The Nickelodeon show they did for that was ass. Talk.
Yeah, that movie was
Shit's
alright.
ass.
Movie was
El Tigre,
okay.
man. What you think about El Tigre?
El Tigre. Let me see El Tigre is at. I don't know what the fuck that is.
That shit was good, man. That shit was good.
Oh, Action Break was so gas. Doug is S tier.
Doug is definitely S tier. Are you
Just
afraid of the
Jordan is
dark?
big D.
Wait, what?
I said Just Jordan is a big D.
I don't even know what that is. Where is it? I don't see it.
You going to the boy? It's the black boy with braids. Let me
Where?
scroll down.
Oh,
Let me scroll
here.
that nigga.
That doesn't look good. That just looks like white people are trying to create a
Jimmy
black
Neutron
show.
is big. Rugrats, Rocco,
Rocco
and
is definitely S tier.
what was it like? I'm gonna let you go. I don't want to fuck up your face.
No, I agree with fucking a lot of these. The
Rugrats.
Penguins of Madagascar was like a B tier.
Yeah, that shit was pretty solid.
Danny Phantom S tier.
Then he found a big ass tear.
H2O, that's fucking D tier. That shit is annoying.
Power Ranger Samurai D tier. That's one of the weirdest Power Rangers of all time.
Mm, S2O by Ginger S tier.
Oh, Ned the Classified's big
S
S.
tier, man. Jimmy Neutron S tier. Where's Nasty Classified? S tier. Fairly Odd Parents S tier.
Just the movie alone.
Mighty B. It was funny
I don't
for a
even know what the fuck
while,
that is.
but it's a B tier for me.
Oh, Ren and Stimpy, A tier.
Man, I actually agree with that. I really agree with that. It was pretty cool, but the censored version they showed on Nickelodeon was a little off because some of these
Weird.
episodes were not aired on Nickelodeon, especially back here because they were
Oh hell no.
way too crazy.
Oh hell no, bro.
My Life as a Teenage Robot S tier. True Jackson VP S tier. Sam and Cat C tier. You ever seen Sam
The
and
Nick
Cat?
Cannon show. I don't remember the Nick Cannon show.
The Nick Cannon show where
I don't remember that, John.
Vic-
Like I know I've seen it, but I just don't remember what happened.
Victorious is A tier.
Everything else is pretty mid, like really big mid.
Rugrats S tier.
Everything else is like
Oh, I
big
remember
mid.
this
Oh,
one.
Cousin Skeeter is big S tier. That's
Where's
the only thing
Cousin
that's
Skin?
not mid.
Where's that?
Teenage Robot was. I'll put Teenage Robot. Mhm.
Man, Wayside. Wayside was that good shit. It was the strangest shit ever. Uh, I think this is Unfabulous. That's a B tier. It wasn't too bad. It was all good.
Yeah,
Planet Sheen was terrible.
that shit was not lit. It sounded good on paper, but it just did not
You know,
deliver.
you know what the problem is that they're trying to give a comic relief character his own show, so there's nothing to really, you know what I mean? Like
Oh yeah,
there's
dude.
no tension to relieve, so why would you give a comic relief character a spin-off?
Exactly, dude.
It's just pure chaos, and eventually that chaos is just gonna wear the magic of the chaos is just gonna wear out. The Wild Thornberries, S tier.
Oh shit. Oh, that's just a John John.
Rabbits Invasion, D tier. That shit was trash.
Big fucking mid.
Mm,
That is big mid, dude.
Sanjay and Craig, D tier. Nikki, Ricky, Dicky, and Dawn, D tier. That's a
What
new
the fuck
shit.
is that?
That's a new shit, bro. That's about I think it was
That new
quintuplets or some shit.
bullshit.
Yeah,
What?
it's
That don't
about
even make
dumbass quintuplets, Invaders Zim.
Invader Sim is big S tier.
That's facts. Zoe 101. To me, that's an S tier as well.
Zoe 101 is big ass. So I saw the Jamie Lynn Curtis get knocked up on set.
And the whole, what's it called? Like the whole theory about it being Dan Schneider's kid. Tough puppy. That shit was trash.
Yeah.
SpongeBob. That's S tier,
Oh,
man.
big S here. That's the
The
one we were missing.
the craziest legacy of all time, man.
My mom even fucked with that shit so hard. She didn't give a fuck about watching that shit. She loves SpongeBob.
Oh, this one is a good one too. It's The Troop.
The Troop.
That shit was
I never
good.
seen that, but I'll trust you.
That
I'll
was
trust
like
your
that was like
judgment.
later on when you probably quit watching Nickelodeon.
I'll
Uh,
trust your judgment.
that shit was so good, man. It's about a few high schoolers killing monsters and shit. Like they're hunting monsters and shit, bro. That
Ninja
shit was
Turtles is big mid.
yeah, bro. The
I
new.
love Ninja Turtles. That joint sucks dick. Like Nickelodeon just fucked that all up.
I think they made two
Uh,
different Ninja Turtle shows and both were fucking stupid, man.
they're big mid. Definitely Legend of Korra. You should put that S class.
Oh, that's definitely
Uh,
S tier, man. Where is it?
and Cousin Skeeter.
I don't know where Cousin Skeeter is.
It's the bull in between, and you're short right there. You were just on him. You were in the same row. Stop. That's Cousin Skeeter.
Oh, the guy with the puppet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna see if I can watch an
Cousin
episode
Skeeter is
somewhere.
gas, bro. That's like fucking Megan Good. Like, woo.
Cora's S
Megan
class.
Good was fire.
Who else we got?
Ooh.
Monsters versus I don't know what this is. Something about monsters, but I've seen it before. That shit was trash. I think it's called Monsters versus Aliens.
Monster. I think I heard of that. I think that was Big Mid.
Oh, this Clarissa show. That shit was pretty good. It's the same girl who played in the Sabrina show that was on Nickelodeon as well.
That's high.
But I can't find Sabrina on here.
Like the Teenage Witch?
Yeah.
That shit came on Nickelodeon. That must have been reruns because that joint used to come on like UPN or some shit like that.
Back
Yeah,
here
that was
with
like, bro, like around that time, bro. That's when shit like that used to come on lit at like 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock. I used to get like hot TV at 4 o'clock, like shit like that. That was some '90s shit though, like early 2000s.
man, back
Early
here, Sabrina was on Nickelodeon.
2000s shit. Yeah, that was the reruns. But I remember when that shit was like ongoing.
Cat Scratch, it's like A tier. Not too bad. I don't see Saved by the Bell.
Oh, S tier.
No, I don't see it. That's the thing.
Oh, you don't?
I'm looking for
Because it's
it.
not originally. It didn't originally like come on Nickelodeon like reruns.
Uh,
Yeah, that's why.
the Power Ranger show on Nickelodeon was pretty shitty too. I'm not gonna lie.
All the Power Rangers they put on Nickelodeon were big fucking mid. All of them joined.
The rest
All of
of
them
I don't know
joined.
the rest of
Ugh.
these. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't know what the rest of these are.
Yeah, the rest of these I'm just gonna say they mid. Just because Nickelodeon's been putting out mid.
That's facts. I'm trying to see if I remember one of these, but none of these ring a bell. So for now, this is our fucking tier list.
Pretty solid tier list, if I say.
Yeah,
Pretty fucking
especially
solid tier.
like back here, the top row is like where it's at. Like
Oh, that
Kablam,
top row.
all that. Oh wait, I know what I'm missing, bro. The Amanda show. I don't see that.
Oh, you're right.
I don't see the Amanda show. That shit was good. Oh, that's sad.
About that.
They had almost everything on here except for the Amanda show.